Top 10 Fascinating Facts About Gorillas. Enter the hidden world of gorillas, where every gesture and sound has meaning. From using tools to expressing complex emotions, these primates amaze us with their intelligence and sensitivity. Discover the 10 most fascinating facts about gorillas on our visual journey through their extraordinary life. Don't miss this incredible exploration. Number 10. Gorillas can eat all day. Gorillas, those majestic primates that share an astonishing 98% of their DNA with us, have eating habits as fascinating as their genetic resemblance. Primarily herbivores, these gentle giants spend up to 80% of their day in a constant and meticulous search for food. Their diet is mostly made up of leaves, stems, fruit, and occasionally small insects, providing them with the necessary nutrients to sustain their impressive bodies. The amount of food an adult gorilla consumes in a day can be astonishing, ingesting up to 18 kilograms of vegetation. This voracious appetite is not merely a whim of their nature but an imperative biological necessity. The gorilla's diet, rich in fiber but low in calories, forces these animals to dedicate a large part of their time to feeding in order to meet their energy needs. This behavior also has a profound impact on the ecosystems where they reside, as gorillas act as seed dispersers, significantly contributing to the health and regeneration of the forest. The choice of food by gorillas varies according to the season and availability, demonstrating adaptability and knowledge of the environment that impresses scientists. In times of abundance, they prefer to select the most nutritious parts of plants, such as shoots and ripe fruits, demonstrating a sophisticated dietary selection that ensures their nutritional well-being. Observing these feeding behaviors not only offers us a window into the daily life of gorillas but also underscores the importance of preserving their natural habitat. Deforestation and biodiversity loss can have devastating effects on their diet and, therefore, on their survival. Conservation efforts, therefore, are not only directed at protecting these magnificent beings but also at ensuring the continuity of the complex ecosystems of which they are such a vital part. Number 9. They have a unique family call. Communication in the animal kingdom is as diverse and complex as nature itself, and gorillas are no exception to this rule. Despite their imposing appearance, these primates use a sophisticated range of vocalizations to interact with each other, each with a specific meaning and purpose within their social structure. What is particularly fascinating is that each gorilla has a unique call, comparable to a vocal signature, that allows them not only to communicate but also to affirm their identity within the group. These unique calls are essential for group cohesion, facilitating the gathering of its members in dense forests where visibility is limited. Likewise, they are crucial in alert situations, allowing gorillas to warn their congeners of potential dangers quickly and effectively. Researchers have been able to identify specific individuals just by their vocalization, demonstrating the richness and uniqueness of these calls. The ability of gorillas to generate and respond to these acoustic signals is a testament to their intelligence and social sensitivity. Through their calls, they communicate not only immediate needs such as hunger or danger but also emotions and moods, evidencing an emotional complexity often reserved for high-order cognitive species. The study of these vocalizations not only provides valuable information about the ecology and social behavior of gorillas but also offers clues about the evolution of communication in primates, including humans. By deciphering the language of gorillas, scientists hope to better understand the origins of our own language and communication, further bridging the gap we share with our close relatives on the evolutionary tree. Number 8. Gorillas' fingerprints. The uniqueness of fingerprints has long been a cornerstone in human identification, but what many do not know is that this unique feature is not limited to our species. Gorillas, our close relatives in the animal kingdom, also possess this distinctive, with unique patterns on the tips of their fingers that are as individual as ours. This particularity is not just a fascinating fact about the biology of these primates. It has significant practical applications in research and conservation of these majestic creatures. Identifying individual gorillas in their natural habitat can be challenging due to their physical similarities and the dense environment in which they live. This is where gorillas' fingerprints become an invaluable tool, allowing researchers to track the movements, health, and behavior of specific individuals with astonishing accuracy. This method of identification plays a crucial role in conservation programs, helping to monitor gorilla populations, their birth rates, mortality, and migration, vital information for the development of effective protection strategies. Moreover, the study of gorillas' fingerprints has provided valuable insights into the evolution of dermal patterns in primates and their function. It is believed that these patterns enhance grip and tactile sensitivity, crucial for life in the trees and on the ground, offering an adaptive advantage in the varied environment in which gorillas inhabit. Interestingly, the technique for collecting gorillas' fingerprints is non-intrusive, often involving the use of simple materials like paper and ink or special photography techniques, respecting the welfare of these animals while collecting the necessary information for their protection. This balanced approach underscores the importance of research methods that harmonize with the principles of ethical conservation. Number 7. They use tools to get food. The ability to use tools has long been considered a hallmark of advanced intelligence in the animal kingdom, and gorillas are no exception to this norm. These impressive primates have demonstrated time and again their capacity to adapt and manipulate their environment in innovative ways to meet their needs. Through detailed observations, researchers have documented behaviors in gorillas that indicate sophisticated tool use, especially in the quest for food. One of the most notable examples of this ability is when gorillas use sticks to check the depth of water before wading through rivers or swampy areas. This precautionary act not only shows an understanding of the utility of the object as a tool but also reveals a cognitive process that assesses risk and safety. Additionally, gorillas have been observed carefully selecting branches to use in termite or honey collection, demonstrating not only an understanding of the physical properties of their tools but also an ability to plan and execute feeding strategies. These behaviors offer a fascinating window into the cognition of gorillas, suggesting that, like humans and other intelligent animals, they are capable of problem-solving and abstract thinking. The use of tools requires an understanding of cause and effect relationships, as well as the ability to anticipate the outcomes of their actions, high-level cognitive skills. Beyond food acquisition, the use of tools by gorillas may have broader implications for their survival and adaptability. In a world where their natural habitats are increasingly threatened, the ability of these animals to interact innovatively with their environment may be crucial for their long-term survival. Research in this field not only enriches our understanding of gorillas but also can inform conservation strategies, ensuring that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in their natural environment. Number 6. They have a complex social structure. The complexity of the social structure of gorillas is one of the most fascinating facets of their existence, revealing not only a rigorously established social order but also a web of relationships and roles that ensure the well-being of the group. At the heart of this social system is the alpha male, known as the silverback, for the distinctive silver fur he develops on his back upon reaching maturity. This leader plays a crucial role, not only as protector of the group but also as mediator of conflicts and decision-maker regarding the movements and activities of the group. Gorilla groups, or troops, can vary in size from a few individuals to more than 30, composed of females, their offspring, and one or several males. The cohesion of the group is maintained through a combination of family ties and social bonds, with the silverback at the center of this structure. This leader is responsible for the security of the group, defending it from predators and other gorilla groups. However, his role goes beyond mere protection. He is also a caregiver and mediator, intervening in disputes within the group and maintaining social order. The succession of leadership is another intriguing aspect of gorilla society. Often, when the silverback ages or dies, one of the younger males in the group, who has grown under his tutelage, takes his place. This process can be peaceful or involve conflicts, depending on the specific dynamics of the group. The transition of power not only ensures the continuity of leadership within the group but also reflects the importance of experience and learning in gorilla culture. The role of females in the social structure is also vital. Although the silverback is the undisputed leader, females play a crucial role in the social cohesion of the group, caring for the young and actively participating in decisions related to the care and protection of the young. The relationship between the alpha male and the females is based on mutual trust and respect, with this bond being fundamental for the stability of the group. Number 5. Gorillas can cry and laugh. The ability to express emotions is a trait commonly associated with intelligence and social complexity, and in the case of gorillas, this aspect of their behavior is no less impressive. Although their way of expressing emotions may differ from humans in terms of external manifestation, gorillas have the capacity to experience and communicate a range of emotional states, including what could be equated to crying and laughing in humans. These emotional expressions play a vital role in social cohesion and communication within gorilla groups. Gorillas' laughter is often observed during play, especially among infants or juveniles, but also in adults. This behavior includes a series of vocalizations and physical gestures that indicate joy and enjoyment. Researchers have observed that gorillas make sounds similar to panting in playful situations, an expression that reflects amusement and pleasure. These moments of play are not only fundamental for the physical and cognitive development of young gorillas but also strengthen social bonds within the group, fostering trust and cooperation. On the other hand, crying in gorillas, while not identical to human crying in terms of tears, is manifested through distressed vocalizations and behaviors that express pain, fear, or sadness. These emotional expressions can be triggered by the loss of a group member, internal conflicts, or stressful situations. The ability of gorillas to express grief and mutual consolation in times of loss reveals an emotional depth that challenges traditional notions of affectivity in the animal kingdom. Emotional communication among gorillas is complex and nuanced, involving a combination of sounds, gestures, and physical contact. This emotional communication not only reinforces relationships within the group but is also crucial for conflict resolution and collective decision-making. The understanding and empathy that gorillas show towards each other through these emotional expressions are fundamental for the harmony and well-being of the group. Number 4. They possess great strength. One of the most astonishing aspects of gorillas is their extraordinary physical strength. These imposing primates are capable of generating muscle power that far exceeds that of an average adult human, estimated to be up to 6 times stronger. This impressive physical capability is manifested in various ways, from their ability to break bamboo with ease to the strength required to lift and throw heavy objects. The source of this strength lies in their formidable body structure. Gorillas have long and powerful arms, with muscles densely developed that allow them to perform tasks requiring great power. Additionally, their large and strong hands are capable of gripping and manipulating with astonishing force, skills that are essential both for their survival and for their interaction with the environment. This physical strength is not only crucial for food acquisition, allowing them to access resources that other animals cannot, but also plays a vital role in protecting the group. The silverback, in particular, uses his strength to defend the group from external threats, including predators or rival gorilla groups. In this context, the leader's strength is not just a tool for defense but also a deterrent, a visual reminder of his capability to protect the group. However, despite their superhuman strength, gorillas are mostly peaceful and reserved beings. Most physical interactions within the group are characterized by gentleness and care, especially in dealing with the young. This combination of strength and tenderness underscores the complexity of gorillas' behavior and social life, showing that their physical power is only one part of their rich existence. Number 3. Intensive parental care. The upbringing and parental care in gorillas is a touching and complex spectacle that underscores the depth of family and social bonds within their groups. Gorilla mothers, in particular, show immense dedication and tenderness towards their offspring, establishing a deep bond that is essential for the physical and emotional development of the young. This intense parental care begins from the moment of birth and extends for several years, being a fundamental aspect of gorilla social life. From birth, gorilla infants are entirely dependent on their mothers for protection, nourishment, and transportation. Gorilla mothers constantly carry their babies during the first months, providing them with constant warmth, security, and comfort. This close and continuous contact is crucial for strengthening the bond between mother and child and for the development of a sense of security in the infants. In addition to feeding, mothers play a key role in teaching their young essential life skills, such as nest building, feeding, and socializing within the group. Parental care is not limited to mothers. Alpha males, or silverbacks, also play a significant role in protecting and indirectly caring for the young. Although they do not participate in the day-to-day care of the infants, their presence provides security to the group and protects the young from internal and external threats. In some cases, silverbacks have been observed interacting gently with the young, showing a softer side of their character. Cooperation and solidarity among the females in the group are also essential for the care of the young. In situations where a mother cannot care for her infant, either due to illness or death, other females in the group, often close relatives, may adopt and care for the orphaned infant. This altruistic behavior ensures the survival of the young even in adverse circumstances, highlighting the importance of cohesion and mutual support within gorilla groups. Number 2. Sophisticated communication. Communication among gorillas is a complex and nuanced system that goes beyond simple vocalizations. It incorporates a rich tapestry of sounds, gestures, and facial expressions, each carrying specific meanings within their social context. This repertoire of communication not only facilitates everyday interaction within the group but also plays a crucial role in maintaining social order, coordinating activities, and expressing emotional states. Gorillas use more than 20 different types of vocalizations in their communication. These range from soft grunts and murmurs indicating contentment to sharp cries and powerful roars that serve as warnings in alarm situations. Vocalizations are often context-specific, allowing gorillas to communicate a wide range of messages, from identifying food resources to coordinating group movement. In addition to vocalizations, gorillas employ a series of gestures and facial expressions to communicate. These include everything from invitations to play to demonstrations of aggression, such as chest beating. These visual behaviors complement auditory signals, providing an additional layer of richness to gorilla communication. Correct interpretation of these signs is essential for the cohesion and effective functioning of the group. Facial communication, in particular, is remarkably expressive among gorillas. Their faces can convey a range of emotions, from joy to anger, which are fundamental for social interactions. These facial expressions are crucial for establishing bonds between group members and play a vital role in regulating social behavior. What makes gorilla communication especially fascinating is its tactile aspect. Physical contact, such as grooming or hugging, not only serves to strengthen social and family bonds but also has specific communicative functions, such as consolation or the affirmation of bonds. Number 1. They are nest builders. The ability of gorillas to build nests is an impressive manifestation of their intelligence and adaptability. Each night, these primates carefully select a location and use branches and leaves to construct a new nest for sleeping. This behavior not only provides a safe and comfortable place to rest but also reflects an advanced understanding of tool use and environment management. Nest building is a learned behavior, with infants beginning to construct their own nests at an early age under the observation of adults, highlighting the importance of this knowledge in their culture. Gorillas build two types of nests: terrestrial and arboreal. Tree nests are more common among infants and juveniles, offering additional protection against predators. On the other hand, adults, due to their size and weight, usually build nests on the ground. The choice of material and nest location varies depending on the season and environment, demonstrating a remarkable ability to adapt to different environmental conditions. Nest construction involves a detailed process in which the gorilla carefully selects branches and leaves, breaks them if necessary, and arranges them in a circular platform. This process requires not only physical strength but also spatial planning and foresight, advanced cognitive skills. Researchers have observed that some gorillas even choose specific leaves for their comfort or insect repellent properties, evidencing a detailed knowledge of their natural environment. Beyond its practical function, nest building has broader implications for forest ecology. By changing locations and constructing a new nest each night, gorillas help disperse seeds and contribute to forest regeneration. This behavior underscores the role of gorillas as ecosystem engineers, whose survival is intrinsically linked to the health of the forest.